Today is March 2nd of 2024, and we're walking through the Redwood forest, checking out some stuff. What a beautiful day, huh? Unfortunately, as you can see, that dumping is a tragic thing that's happening throughout the forest. As you can clearly see, I'm in the forest. Let's go see what this is, shall we? It's a tire. Looks like it might fit my car. Well, it's a planting pot, some weird hazmat desk. Oh boy, all kinds of weird stuff. Isn't it great? So when you hear me use the term, because I have like multiple channels, multiple content, different points of views. When I say that people love nature to death, this is a prime example. I mean, do you think this belongs out here? In the woods? Look at it all. It's an epidemic. It's super sad. I don't know. Makes you wonder, do people really even care anymore? Do you care? It's a nice mason jar in there. Breaks my heart. Let's see. What's on this side? There's some nice liquid hazmat. What's this? Diesel exhaust fluid. Huh. That belongs in the woods, doesn't it? You can tell I used to work for the garbage company, huh? I'm not afraid to touch stuff. This thing had a lock on it, huh? Yeah, it's like $100 dog carrier. Are you kidding me? I'm going to take that to the thrift store and drop it off.